Hi everybody, we are on the mission today. We are going where, Peppa?
We're going to the ice cave.
Ice cave. Ice cave is the very beautiful cave in the Bragg Creek. You have to, when you drive from Calgary, you drive 22X and you turn right before the Bragg Creek Falls. And how it called? The Inks Mine. Inks
Parking.
Mine. Then you have to stop, park your car in the parking, and there is a gravel road, like you can see on the back, the gravel road, and it's pretty far. Then we decide to use our bikes.
Like 7 kilometers.
7 kilometers one way. Yes.
Yeah.
Perfect. Very beautiful day. Is I
24
believe.
degrees.
How much?
24.
24, but it's gonna be 38 today. Yeah.
In Kananaskis?
In Kananaskis.
Calgary.
Calgary. Yeah, but this is very close. It's only like 30 minutes drive. Then it should be the same. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go. Stay with us. You will see how beautiful it is here. The weather is perfect. It's a little bit light breeze, you know. It comes from the trees and with the beautiful smell, like the beautiful nature, you know, because we had the rain a couple days ago. Then everything is so nice, soft and green and fresh, and it's just perfect. We offer many friends go with us today, but nobody wanna go because people complain of the high temperature today. Like I said before, they said it's gonna be around 38 plus 38. Then it's kind of hot, but you know, better do this than stay home. We grab water with us. We have lots of water. We have food. We have the camera and lots of time. Perfect. Yeah, we just start riding, and I believe it's 7 kilometers from here. And lots of people coming here for bikes. Not many people goes to the cave, but for the bikes, yes, a lot. There's hundreds, if not 1,000 people around these mountains. Whoop. For me, it's a tough ride because I using the racing bikes. It's not that good for this road. Where's my Peppa? She's a little bit behind. That's cool. First time we go into this cave, you know. I heard and I watched some videos on the YouTube. It's amazing. But it's wild, you know. You don't have a guide. It's not like Radness Cave in Canmore. It's locked. The cave is locked. Only you can go. You're allowed to go with guide. But this cave is wild. Hi guys. Yeah, like I said, lots of guys on the beautiful mountain bikes, like those guys who just passed us. Sound like that, very professional. Beautiful. Okay, I wait for a Peppa. There's lots of hiking tracks. Summer tracks. They open only for summer, but there's lots. there, like 5 minutes from the highway, there is some plant, gas plant. Once again, I will come closer and I will show you. I think you should. Where is this? I don't see on the camera. Oh, right there. Like you see the flame? The gas is a huge power for the province where we live in Alberta. Huge. Oil and gas. Right now it's in kind of recession, but I believe we'll recover one day. And this province will be booming again. Hello? Yeah, we prepare ourselves. We have water, we have food, we have a bear spray, and because like we are in the bear countries, you know. I don't think we will see any bear because it's too many people around. Then they are stay away. But never knows. Better be patient. Beautiful. Peppa, Peppa, Peppa! Woohoo! Where are you? She's coming. What took you so long? You want a break? No? Keep going. I will catch you. Okay, Peppa, show the speed now. The camera follow you, camera watching you.
Is this the end or not?
No, we are on the beginning, honey.
How many miles already?
Half a mile. Beautiful rocks. Huh. Yeah, the way back.
Here?
No, wait. They said something we have to turn?
This is the shell.
Yeah. And they said we have to go this way now.
Right, yeah.
Right?
Shell, yeah.
Yeah, this is the gas plant. I hope we're going right. No. No. Wrong way. Have to go back. Road is end here. Now, in Canada, it's very easy to get lost on the track, on the trail, sorry. Because there's no signs. Like in Europe, every trail is signed from the beginning right to the end. Like they have put some signs on the roads, you know, on the trees or on the rocks, you know, and it's very easy to follow. Here, no. Like long time ago, I got lost in the mountains, and I ended up 70 kilometers away from my vehicle, you know. And thanks God, was a nice people around me, and they give me ride to my car, you know. Like holy smoke! Other way was a big possibility, like I will sleep in the woods, you know, because it was already getting a little dark, you know. Like it was scary, you know. Same here. Not even one sign. Okay, let's stop complaining. Keep going. I am good hiker, but I'm not good on the bike. I'm getting tired very quick. Holy mackerel, it's a beautiful canyon. Like wow. What I don't like, taking a bike, because you can miss lots of stuff. When you're riding the bike, you're missing details. Thanks God, in the last moment, I saw this canyon. Then now I can enjoy to the beauty of this place. You know, honey, look, like beautiful canyon is here.
Huh?
Beautiful canyon.
Where? Oh.
Yeah, you see?
But dry. Where's the water?
There's no water now.
When the water come?
I don't know, probably the early spring or end of the month will be lots of rain. Then the water will arrive here.
From the mountain.
Yeah, yes. Wow.
Remember they said in a building, there's a shell building,
Yeah?
and then there's a yellow sign.
Mm-hmm.
And then we go that pathway.
Have you seen the yellow sign?
I didn't notice, but that's the shell building.
Yeah, but I think we still have to
Go.
go, yeah. 7 miles is still
Okay.
way to go. There's a beautiful creek. Only, like Peppa said before, there is no water. But imagine, I believe in 2 weeks will be full of water, because the rain season coming in this place. But it's amazing. Peppa got tired a little bit, but she's doing good. She's doing good. Nice bridge. This is only maintenance road, not for public. The cars not allowed to drive here, only the rangers and the plant employees. But it's crazy, so nice. Wow. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at him. This is a very aggressive animal. This is a badger, I think, but I'm not sure. I think this is a badger. Come closer to me. I think this is a badger. This is very aggressive animal. like very aggressive. I know. Holy smoke! Look at this guy. Yeah. I am not sure, but they are very aggressive if you bother them. You know. Beautiful boy. Like beautiful boy. Nice.
Honey, don't come close.
No, come on, honey, don't panic. Let's go.
Don't come close.
Come on. No, he's friendly.
No,
He's friendly. Hey,
bite you. We have no medicine here. Huh.
come on closer.
I told you I will not come.
Yeah, he's relaxing on the rock. It's beautiful. What's your name, buddy? Hey.
Honey,
Now he's good. Look, he's good.
honey, I told you. We bite you. We have no.
Honey, can you come closer to me and open my backpack? Give me some food, okay? Come on. Okay? Can you do this? Wow. No. Oh, there you are.
She will come to your bag.
Yeah. Okay. Time to go. Did you name those two guys?
No.
No?
We find
Bolek i Lolek.
Huh?
Bolek i Lolek.
Oh.
You know?
Olele.
Olelek, Bolek and Lolek.
Okay.
I can't believe it how beautiful is here. No, now, honey.
Video then.
Yeah.
Video here.
It's beautiful here, right? We are in the Brack Creek. These mountains are not that tall like Kananaskis, but still beautiful, you know. And this is very close from our place. This is like 30 minutes drive, maybe even faster, you know, like it's so convenient to, basically you can come here easy 2-3 times a week, you know, for very short time, you know, like you don't have to spend, 3 hours or 4 hours drive, you know, and after way back again 3-4 hours, you know. It's only 30 minutes and it's amazing. But you see, it's not natural. They blow up this mountain. You see the stripes? You know, like there is from drilling for dynamite, you know, like they used to be, you see, when they build the road, they blow up the mountain. You see all those rocks around are from explosion. But it's nice. Unbelievable. Oh, there's water.
Oh, there's a climb.
They climb. Yeah, people came here for practice climbing. Oh, the other one here. Wow. You wanna take a rest? Yeah.
You didn't ask.
I'm sorry?
You didn't ask.
I asked before. The right direction. Wow.
There's someone in the water.
I'm sorry?
People in the water.
Oh. Huh.
What are they doing?
Shooting. Oh, they're fishing. Okay, I think we arrived to the right place. Like behind me is the shell plant, and here is the access to the trail, which will run you to the cave. Perfect, we're almost there. I see the cave. You have to come forward a little bit. Yeah, I see it. Do you see? Wow, she is beautiful. Oh my God. Crazy. Wow, huge. Whoa. Huh. You see it?
Yeah.
Wow. Huh. You wanna stop for a break now?
Yeah. Banana.
Okay.
Yeah, a little forward. Not
Let's forward. We find some better spot to eat. Yeah. I'm not hungry yet, but I can eat a little bit.
Looks close, but still have.
Yeah. There's, they said it's climbing too. We'll have to climb some part.
Who said?
The guys who I talked to them.
Oh. Oh my God, honey. Hard for me, I think.
No. You're a good climber, honey. Every day I see you climbing on the sofa. Then you have a good practice.
Honey, can you pull me?
This is good pull?
Yeah.
Or
Why not?
no.
Okay.
We are so happy we live there.
You just asked Bart to come with us.
Who, Bart?
Bart.
Bart doesn't like the hiking. But like I said, I'm so happy we live in so beautiful place. Like unbelievable. Even we are basically not allowed to travel now, but I don't miss. I have so much nice place around me, then I can handle here. I can be here for the rest of my life, I always find nice place to go, nice place to visit. And the people also nice, like you saw, everybody talking to you, say nicely hi. That's a big plus too. And I find out, then higher you go, then people are nicer. when you go, let's say, to the mountains around the lake, then it's lots of people, but they are not hikers. They just came to take a pictures, you know, and they don't care much about anything what is around them. Only they care about to have a nice picture. But ride bike on the gravel road for 1 hour, and here is other 1 hour hike to just entrance the cave. Yes, I'm here. Come on. Woo! On this level, when we come to the mountains, it's already harder to breathe. It's a lack of oxygen. It's not that like on the bottom of the hill, you know. It's a big difference when you hike for 3,000 meters over the sea level. Then oxygen is very thick. Here is okay. Still you see different. You feel different, you know. But it's okay. Still okay. Okay, we stop for break here. There's a nice place to. We have a nice place to sit.
Where's the cave now? Where's the cave? Honey?
Behind me.
Oh, there. Still far away.
Yeah. Look close, but far away.
Where's the way then? Going down?
Now we're going down now.
Oh.
We're going down like everybody in today's economy. Everybody goes down.
Lucy told me that we have to go by the shell, and we went to a different way. Yeah?
I don't know. Watch the rocks.
Yeah.
Trail getting tougher and tougher now. It's getting steep and there's lots of loose rocks. But it's okay. It's still safe. It's very safe. Like a few minutes ago, we passed some young couple with a small boy, like I don't know how old he was, maybe 4 years old, maybe 5.
No,
How old?
like
4, yeah.
3 to 4.
Yeah, 3 to 4, yeah. Which is nice, we hike in the trees, then it's kind of cool. But very soon we will arrive to the cave, and in the cave is very cold. I forget my gathers. Actually, I didn't forget, I didn't want to take it. But I didn't take it, and I have a few rocks in my shoes. And I am lazy to take a shoe off and remove. painful. Woo! Come on, goat. Mountain goat. You're a mountain goat. Oh, monkey? Always when I call her names, like you are goat or some nice, she's calling me monkey. And like 2 minutes ago she called me actually gorilla, which is not nice. I'm not that big. Picture ready, let's go. We're coming to the place spot where it's a little bit tough, but it's still okay. Yeah, I wait for you here.
Almost by the door.
Yeah.
Almost the door of the plane.
We're almost there.
I heard that there's something like to write and put it in the box by the door. Where? Here or on the other side?
Here, go here, right. Where's your head? Remember, we don't have a helmet. Guys, this is no good. This trail, you should wear the helmet.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Because you have a lot of loose rocks following from this mountain. But I decided to go without because it's so hot. Plus my backpack is very heavy too.
Where I'm going to here?
Straight, yeah.
And this is the door now.
Yeah. The door are beautiful.
Big, huh?
Beautiful, huge.
Big rocks. It's rocks. I don't want to look at my left. It's too high.
I don't know, honey, but look.
Wait, honey.
Yeah,
This is loose. Don't step.
yeah, don't worry, I see.
Honey, where to hold? It's hard to go down, honey.
Sorry.
I find hard.
Honey, concentrate to go up. You will think about going down later. Huh. It's crazy. Oh my God.
Where I'm going now?
Straight. You see there is the path. Easy. Now you can walk. Now you can walk. Don't.
I don't want to stand. You go first. Honey, hold me. Hold me, hand.
And start walking. You see? Now walk. It's easier to walk. Holy mackerel.
Honey,
No, absolutely safe here. Wow!
Honey, careful.
I am. Oh my God.
I need you.
One second, honey. I'm coming to get you. These rocks looks like stairs, like someone built the stairs. Maybe some god living there. Is it true, Peppa, like every mountain has its own god?
I don't know.
But you said something like the everyday rocks following down and somebody who's taking care of the mountain bringing the rocks up, right? I don't know. Makes sense.
This is the mouth.
Wow.
Take picture of this.
Honey, I'm recording right now. I'm not taking any pictures now, okay? Wow. That's crazy. Holy smoke. The tree, like on the front door.
Maybe you here too, man. Okay. You go fast.
Honey, doing good.
Stay there.
Wow.
Honey, take me a picture.
Honey,
Video.
nice. Come on, come on. Thank you, beautiful mountain, to open the door for us. You are so beautiful, so graceful. And thank you for a beautiful invitation. Thank you for a beautiful day today. And once again, thank you for health. Because otherwise we will have to stay home. Now is coming cold air from the cave, like very cold. Holy macro. Peppa, it's so cold here already here. It's nice and cool here.
Yeah, beautiful.
Huh. Do you know how deep is the cave?
No clue.
You're going in, yeah?
Yeah. Han, where are you?
I'm sorry?
Can you help me here?
You're good, you're good.
My shoes broken. My shoes broke.
Okay, keep going slow. Perfect.
There was like 6 bicycles down
Let's go farther, honey.
there. Wait for me.
I wait for you. It's so beautiful here because this cave is already dark, but here, like look at me, like I'm under the light because the light is coming from outside.
Going to the inn.
Beautiful. Okay, Peppa, follow me. Watch your steps, okay? You have a light. Turn your light on the ground and watch the steps. Like you see, we come into the first ice. Okay, we continue moving. It's a little bit scary now. Right now we are alone. And it's getting colder and colder. I wonder how deep is the cave. Wow. How nice is this? This is way nicer than the rat nest cave. Rat nest cave is more danger, but this is beautiful. Wow. Huh. Like you see the cracks on the ceilings? Like holy mackerel. Wow. There's more ice here. Huh. Wow. There's some minerals in the rocks. I think they have a copper here too, because it's like the reddish red rocks, you know. But I might be wrong. Wow. You scared me. I heard some sound. Oh my. Oh. Holy mackerel. Wow. Like the biggest diamond. I feel like I found the biggest diamond in this planet. Yeah? I am here. Wow. Holy. I hate when the people do graffiti in that kind of places. Guys, please, don't destroy the beauty of our mountains. This looks like diamond, like mine, diamond mine. Wow, crazy. I think that somewhere must be the passage. One day some friend of mine asked me why I'm not afraid to be in the mountain, in the cave. I think because my father was a miner. He spent lots of time under the ground. He died many years ago, but I think the spirit stay with me. Okay, I went pretty far. I left my lady way behind. I think I should come back, but it's amazing.